I often hear the question, what is the cost of filing bankruptcy? When someone files bankruptcy, there's two costs that they have. There's a filing fee that you pay the bankruptcy court to file the paperwork, and there's attorney's fees that you pay your attorney to represent you in the case. The filing fee for the two bankruptcies is pretty similar. In a Chapter 13 case, the court charges $281 to file the petition with the court. In a Chapter 7 case, the court charges $306. So there's only $25 difference in the two filing fees. The attorney's fees is where the big difference usually occurs. In a Chapter 13 case, the bankruptcy court here in Charlotte sets what's known as a presumptive fee. In other words, the court presumes that the appropriate fee in all Chapter 13 cases is $3,900. The good news in a Chapter 13 case is that not all of the attorney's fees have to be paid up front. In most cases, attorneys will charge a portion of those attorney's fees up front and put the rest in your monthly payment to the trustee. It's not uncommon for attorneys to charge anywhere from $500 to $900 up front, and again, the balance gets paid through your monthly payment to the trustee, so that over that 60-month repayment program, the balance of the attorney's fees gets paid in full. Now, in a Chapter 7 case, the bankruptcy court does not set the attorney's fees, and different attorneys will charge different amounts depending on how complex or how simple your case is. Most attorneys in this area will typically charge in the neighborhood of $1,400 to $1,700 for a typical Chapter 7 case. But in some cases, the attorney's fees are more if the case is very complex, and in other cases, the attorney's fees might be less if the case is very simple. The only downside of a Chapter 7 is the attorney's fees in a Chapter 7 case have to be paid in full before the petition can get filed with the court. Now, many attorneys will let you pay over time, in other words, pay in installments, but the bankruptcy petition cannot be filed with the court until all of the attorney's fees are paid in full.